Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to talk about getting your exemplar. Now, what is an exemplar? An exemplar is a document that you generate to give to your state when they require an example of what your notary documents will look like, your remote notary documents will look like. So to get an exemplar, we can go to this part of our dashboard and we can scroll over to this box. Now for me, I am a New York notary, and so I have the New York Secretary of State document generator. So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to take me to a example session where I'm going to put my notary seal, and I'm going to put my notary signature. I'm going to upload my signature. And now that I have my exemplar ready, I'm going to complete the session. And I see I have my completed New York exemplar document that I can upload to my Secretary of State. You can also find your completed document in your document or your download section. So for me, it's here in my document section, and I'm going to click on it here. And here is my exemplar. And you can take this and submit it to your Secretary of State. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.